come in, but we got, I think, around 76? 80 participants. And in those 80 participants who walked the ramp, trust me, we had something from a Hindi, as a Desi dog, to a pitbull, and everything in between. So I think it was one of the greatest events I said yes to on Facebook. So welcome. And Krishnakshi, I would like to ask you, a thought process. Animals I know you are a mother, you have a small child, okay? But still you give so much time to all these pets, you do so much for the animals. Is it inspiration or motivation to
To be frank, I'm always into animals. So I was working for a multinational company, SC Johnson. Tate I was very much into work. So they once did a very bad thing with me. Like I come to Lilu. So tahati, I don't know what politics was there. They thought about, Krishnakshi doesn't need to be in the job anymore. So it was like that. The day I decided that leave job, let's start something of your own that you are compassionate about. And I was compassionate about animals. I had a property in Uzair Bazaar itself, so it was like an abandoned property. So I spoke with my father and I had my own dog. That area I go to Jabon Marisilo. So my thought process was like, let's start something of my own. Jitwe manuhok help koribo, and it will be a service for all the pet parents. Today aram se kupor to dusra jaga thoi. They can move around, they can travel freely. Yes. So hetu thought process start kori. I started Cuckoo's Paws and Claws in 2017, and then I did my dog psychology from London University under Dr. Elmira Strange after completing my double masters in sociology and MSW in social work. After that, I did this. So it was the turning point of my life that I started Cuckoo's Paws and Claws, and from then, after having a kid also after giving birth, I had a C-section. Ammonia bacha though I started Cuckoo's Paws and Claws. I never had any break. During my whole pregnancy period, more heavy cuckoo, tani I worked alone. Staff still I worked hours for the dogs so that they get the best service at my place. And then, about the social work I do, I basically do like raising funds. Physically, for all the rescuers, without money, kunyo rescue because treatment comes with money. So I always raise heavy amount of funds for the rescuers so that they can easily rescue the dog, they can work for that. And secondly, I always raise awareness campaigns in every institution like IIT. Recently, I did 60 to 70 free vaccination camps for the dogs. And then in AEC, Assam Engineering College. And now we are going to all the schools in Guwahati to raise awareness so that people never do anything bad to the stray dogs as well, and also do something good for their own dog so that they are treated with all the dignity they deserve. So like we are the voice of the voiceless, and Cuckoo's Paws and Claws is my identity. So that's it.
Fantastic. Give me a round of applause. Wonderful. So I would like to ask you one more question. That recently, since I was a part of your event, and I'm very glad and honored to be part of that, I have seen a lot of people who are associated with you, like we have some doctors. Can you mention all the people who are part of your organization or who are helping you?
Yeah, of course. So this fashion show, Furry Films fashion show was the first dog fashion show in entire Northeast by Cuckoo's Paws and Claws in 2018. And then this was the 4th edition on 29th of Jan. So this time Pratik was a very important part of my show, so he was a big hit as well. So secondly, Dr. Pradyut Sharma, Dr. Pranjit Barua, and then Dr. Chandika, Nandini Barua. She is the owner of Purpose Foundation as well as a fashion designer. So all the people are associated. Radio Gupshup helped a really lot thing, and RJ Mehndi she was really helping us to raise the awareness. So in this way, this show was a big hit, and people are associated with all the, and even this time we did an award show for all the rescuers so that they get inspired and they do more rescues for the stray dogs. So this was the first event where we gave award to all the rescuers and the veterinary doctors who come on call on any type of emergency 24/7. So this was the basic theme of the event, Furry Friends Fashion Show. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause? Thank you so much, Krishnakshi. And just be so, আপনারা লোকটো হৈ গ'ল লাইনেছ লেগৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট বেচ, এতিয়া কেইদিনমান পিছত ছেকেণ্ড বেচটো আহিব, ৰেগিং কৰিব নাই?
একদম পুৰা মানে কি ক'ব আৰু পুৰা 100% ৰেগিং মন খুলি আৰু এনেকুৱা ভয় খুৱাম যে এনেকুৱা ভয়ানক কুৱেশ্যনছ কিছুমান সুধিব যিটোত মানে হয়তো আই ডোণ্ট ন' কি ভাবিব আৰু মানুহে
The next time এটা কাম কৰিম এনেকৈ 10টা মান লেবেল লৈ ল'ম so each one of you will be the first batch of Lioness League asking questions the second day
ekdom our questions will be very difficult for them which we will create we lionesses will create yes
so अभी से एक ग्रुप बन गया है पहला बैच आ चुका है alright so let's go to public
before going to Papli I would really like to say a few words যে what is entrepreneurship according to me আমি কি কৰোঁ মই অসমীয়াতে কৈছোঁ because most of the people are অসমীয়া
yes,
here
100%.
so মই কিয় কৈছোঁ এইটো কথা বহুতে ভাবে যে ইটোৱে সিটোৱে বিজনেছ কৰিলে we should always be envy about that especially we women are no হিংসা কৰিয়া মানে ইজনী আগবাঢ়িলে কিয় আগবাঢ়িছে এনেকুৱা এটা ফিল এটা আহে so this is not the thing entrepreneurship is moving together চবে একেলগে আগবাঢ়ি যাওঁ চবে একেলগে এটা milestone achieve কৰোঁ so that next generation will learn that yes this is women empowerment and this is the platform where we women need to stand up and earn for ourselves and also do good for the others so that we can be the torch bearers of the next generation so this is entrepreneurship to me
fantastic